What's up guys, it's Barry Baum here, and today we're doing a 2012 Civic Si cabin filter replacement. I saw a lot of videos online for this, and a lot of them were 5, 6, 7 minutes long. It's really only a minute, I think, to do this. So we're going to test it out and see how long it takes me to do this. Literally, it should take only a minute. So basically, what we have here, OEM Honda cabin filter. Straight from the dealership. Just went to the dealership and picked this up. It's not hard. If you guys want your OEM parts, just make sure you go to the your local Honda dealership, and go to their parts store counter and tell them what you want. They don't have it. They can usually have it within that day or within the next day. So it's pretty cool. You can get pretty much anything you can think of for older models, newer models, whatever you want. If you don't know already. So first thing to this install is what you're going to do is you're going to crack open a ice cold Mountain Bartle Skeet. Shout out to Cletus McFarland, by the way. Alright, you get a sip of that bad boy. Alright, you're going to come into your Civic Si. Excuse my cleanliness here. The whole car is getting cleaned and tuned up today. So, alright, you come into your glove box. You have your glove box here, if you could see that. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your glove box. When you do that, you're going to look on the side here, and you see this plastic, it looks like a gear almost. What you're going to do, go up to the top, pull it in, and once you do that, it should catch on this on the actual side of the dash, and you're going to do it with the other side too. Boom. Alright, so just squeeze it in, and it should drop down just like so. And first thing you see is this black panel right here. This is where your cabin filter is at. So what you're going to do is literally unclip this. Boom, look at that. There's your cabin filter, guys. Pull it out. Look at that. So make sure you're changing these, because these are very important. I don't know if you can see this. There's some leaves in here. This picks up pretty much everything off your air filter, and or well, your AC, I should say. And look at that, there's just all kinds of like nasty little hairs. This is all dirt. There's leaves in here. It's pretty nasty, especially that's just gross. Alright, so we got it out. I'm going to replace it with the OEM filter. This is actually a Honda filter, that's the funny part. So we have our genuine Honda filter here. Crack that bad boy open. Pretty straightforward. Make sure it goes in the same way. My neighbor. Make sure it goes in the same way you took it out, because it'll feel a little loose. If you put it in the wrong way, it's not going to go all the way down. You'll feel it. So what you want to do is turn it to the other way. So you're going to look, airflow. It'll say airflow right there on your unit. And then also on your filter, if you get the OEM Honda one, it's going to say airflow as well. I don't know for the other ones, but I always go OEM. So it's going to feel a little tight, like it's not supposed to go in there. But just pinch in one side, you find the rails. Once you find the rails, just kind of slide it on in there. And it should just go straight on in. Just like so. And that is how your 2012 Honda Civic Si cabin filter goes in there. Just slides right on in. Look at that. Seated all the way to the back. Good to go. Here's your little plastic cover. Make sure you clip it back on there. I'm doing this all with one hand, by the way, so that's how easy it is. I just did it with one hand. And that's your 2012 Civic Si cabin filter replacement. So next vid will be the air filter replacement. Alright, y'all have a good one. Barry Baum out.